Let's dive in and talk about some weather across the nation and a little beyond in some areas as well. Fred, technically remnants now, but still dropping quite a bit of tropical moisture. 1 to 4 inch rainfall totals will be present in areas in New England, including western Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and western Maine today. Be mindful of that turnaround, don't drown weather today. Flooded roadways are a possibility. Tropical storm HENRI, not Henry, still taking that boing westward but in the cone of uncertainty. Areas in New England included Boston. But by Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, there still is considerable uncertainty. We'll see if these spaghetti models trend in this direction or if they end up incorrect this time around. But keep in mind that cone of uncertainty is like 200 miles or so in this time frame. So stay with us as we get into early next week and what HENRI decides to do. Hurricane Grace made landfall just south of Cancun in the Yucatan Peninsula this morning. Still 75-mile-per-hour max sustained winds as of the 7 a.m. Central Time update there. It'll dive into the southern Gulf of Mexico potentially as soon as later today and then make a second landfall and near Mexico City. Included in that cone of uncertainty is an area of low pressure at that point. We'll watch for heavy rain in central Mexico there. Heat advisories for the deep south. The Dixie Fire, which is the largest single fire in terms of acres burned in California history, continues. Some unprecedented wildfire conditions continue in Northern California, prompting thousands of people to evacuate recently there. Looking at some highs across the lower 48, Miami, Houston, Minneapolis, Phoenix. What do all of you have in common? Highs in the 90s today. Near 90 in Washington, D.C. as well. Watching for a marginal risk of severe weather near Boston today with the remnants of Fred, and cities like Denver up to a slight risk of severe weather. Some scattered large hail, damaging winds, a couple of tornadoes are possible with some heavy rain associated with an area low pressure swirling through the Intermountain West today.